Unlocking opportunities. Understanding, eligible for upgrade. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in various contexts. Eligible for upgrade. Whether it's about software, memberships, or even airplane seats, understanding this phrase can open up a world of benefits for you. Let's break it down together, ensuring it's crystal clear for all our English language learners. Eligible for upgrade refers to having the necessary qualifications or meeting specific criteria to move to a higher level or better version of a product, service, or status. Being eligible means you are qualified or allowed to do something, often because you meet certain conditions. An upgrade is an improvement or enhancement to what you currently have or are using. Put these terms together, and it means you have the opportunity to access something better than what you currently have because you meet the required conditions. This phrase is quite versatile and can appear in many areas of life. Let's explore a few. Technology. When a new version of software or an app is released, you might be eligible for an upgrade if you have the previous version or meet the developer's specified requirements. Travel. In the context of traveling, especially with airlines, being eligible for an upgrade could mean moving from economy class to business class, provided there's available space and you meet certain loyalty program criteria. Services and subscriptions. For services like streaming platforms or gym memberships, eligibility for an upgrade could involve access to premium features or facilities not available in basic plans. Understanding if you're eligible for an upgrade involves a few steps. 1. Check the criteria. Organizations or service providers usually list conditions you must meet. This could be anything from being a member for a certain period, using a specific version of a product, or accumulating loyalty points. 2. Stay informed. Sometimes, eligibility comes through limited-time offers. Keeping up with emails, notifications, or announcements from service providers ensures you don't miss out. 3. Ask directly. If in doubt, the most straightforward way to know is to contact customer service or the relevant authority to inquire about your eligibility. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and implications of being eligible for upgrade. Understanding this phrase not only empowers you to take advantage of opportunities for improvement but also enhances your comprehension of the English language in practical scenarios. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful content. Remember, every step in learning brings you closer to fluency. See you in the next video.